This is a 5-quart air fryer. I really love this thing. I really love that it's square. I love the sleekness of it. I love the shape of it. It looks really well. It's not really big, too bulky or anything. It's really easy to use. Once you plug it up, the power light comes on. That's how you cut it on. Once you turn it on, you have the option of, using the fan to heat. If you want to bake a cake, if you're cooking chicken, French fries. I'm not really sure what that is. I guess that's just to keep something cool. I need to read the instructions. And it also has a keep warm button. And this is just, if you need to keep things, at a temperature without actually cooking it. You hit reheat as well. That's for meat, steak, pork chops, things of that nature. And that's if you want to cook vegetables. This is the play pause button. That's actually how you stop and start it. So once you cook anything, that's preheat. I don't know if I skipped over that, but that's the preheat button. And what you would do, typically, depending on what I'm cooking, for making like chicken nuggets for my kids, I would typically press the fan. It pops up 400 degrees always. This is how you adjust the temperature, and this is how you adjust the times. So if I don't want it on 400, we'll go down. You can either do that, or you can press and hold it, and it'll jump, by itself. Same as over here with the time. It stays at 20 minutes. You can go down. You can also go back up. So as you can see, the highest it goes is an hour, 60 minutes. And then after you select, press it. I know you probably can't hear it, which I love, but it started. I don't know, let me try to get close. You can hear it hum, but it's not a loud vroom sound like I've heard on other air fryers and things like that. I've seen other people with it where it does make a loud like fan noise. This one's very quiet. You don't really hear it. It has a beeping. Once it's done cooking, it beeps. I think it beeps 3 times. And yeah, it's just really easy to use. If you do it, you can, pause it, pop it in and out. It comes with this little tray that you can add. As you can see, my kids are probably using it to cook something. Wipe it out. But you can put that tray in there, and that's like if you're cooking like bacon or chicken or something like that, that's gonna, have any kind of.
This is the West Bend 5-quart air fryer, and I've been cooking up some meatballs in it, and I thought I'd run a quick video so you guys can hear how amazingly quiet this thing is. So we'll hit the pause button there to set it going again. It's running. Can you hear it? Because I can barely hear it. And this is just amazing for me because I had an air fryer from back in the day, and that thing was a rattle trap. It was so noisy, but this one is perfectly quiet. The buttons are so simple to operate. You just pick whatever thing looks closest to whatever it is you want to bake, and then you can adjust. It'll give you a preset, and you can adjust it up or down to wherever you want it, and it's just easy to go. There's also a really nice preheat button and a reheat button. So I think this one pretty much does it all, and I'm pretty impressed with it. And let's see here, you just pull this out and you can stop it. You can see how pretty these meatballs are.